Okay, so I have the kite and we're going to talk about the area. So to start off, the formula for the area of a kite is A, which is the area, equals 1/2 D1, which is diagonal 1, times D2, which is diagonal 2. So to show where the diagonals come from, diagonal 1, it can be either or, but we're just going to go with this. Diagonal 1 is going to be this diagonal in the middle, right there. And then diagonal 2 is going to be this way. So what we're going to do to represent the area, we're going to make a rectangle around connecting the corners. So it's just going to be like this. Just a rectangle. And I'm not perfect, but and then we're going to do the other side. And I wanted to show this while I was on the camera with you. And okay, so we have this rectangle. As you can see, this is still diagonal 2, and this is still diagonal 1. So the question is, how do we have the half? We figured out these two, where they come from, but the half doesn't quite make sense. So what you need to understand is that this whole shape can fill half of a rectangle. So what we see here is a whole rectangle, and it's not quite covering because it has all of these spaces still. But you can move it. You can move the pieces so that they fit like so. Like so. Now you see that all of the pieces of the kite, although it doesn't look like the kite, it still fits into half of the rectangle. And so that's where you get the half. So the area is A equals half D1 times D2, because D2, D1 would make a big rectangle, but you split it in half so that all the pieces can fit inside half of the rectangle.